Are you struggling with financial difficulties? Do you want a powerful, proven solution to bring stability and abundance into your life? In this video, I'll share a powerful wazifa that has helped many people overcome financial struggles. Stay with me till the end to unlock its full potential. Now let's dive into 5 powerful wazaif for financial stability. First up, wazifa #1, Surah Waqiah, known as the Surah of Wealth. Recite Surah Waqiah every night after Isha prayer. It's known to attract wealth and prevent poverty. The Prophet, PBUH, recommended it for financial stability. Stay consistent and you'll see results. Next, wazifa #2, Ya Wahhab for unlimited blessings. Recite Ya Wahhab, Ya Wahhabu, 100 times daily, especially after Fajr prayer. It means the bestower, and is a powerful name of Allah that opens doors to financial blessings and unexpected sources of income. Moving on, wazifa #3, Ayat-i Karima for debt relief. If you're struggling with debt, recite La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin, La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni wa kuntu minal zalimina, 300 times daily. This supplication removes difficulties and invites financial ease. Then, wazifa #4, the 313 times Durood Sharif formula. Sending Durood on Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, is a way to open doors of Rizq. Recite Allahumma Salli ala Muhammad wa ala Ali Muhammad, Elham Sal Lamhamd wal al Mechemd, 313 times daily, and see how your financial worries disappear. Finally, wazifa #5, charity, the secret key to financial growth. Even if you have little, give charity, sadaqah. It increases wealth and removes obstacles. A small act of kindness can invite massive financial blessings. Remember, consistency and faith are the keys. These wazaif are time-tested and will bring financial stability if done with sincerity. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing Islamic insights. May Allah bless you with endless rizq.